Hello friends, welcome to Sunu's Soulful Cooking. Today we are going to make sweet and sour Korean fried chicken. I have adapted this recipe from Mangchi's YouTube channel. I have taken about 500 grams of boneless chicken cubes. Add salt, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon minced ginger. Mix it well. Coat each chicken piece with corn flour and keep it aside. Now we have to deep fry the chicken cubes. Heat oil in a pan. I have taken groundnut oil. Add the chicken pieces carefully and deep fry them for about 8 to 10 minutes. Once they are done, remove from oil. Now we are going to double fry the chicken pieces. Add it to the oil again. We are double frying the chicken pieces to make them crispier. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes till the chicken pieces are golden brown and crunchy. Remove from oil. Now we have to make a sauce. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Add finely chopped garlic pieces and 2 to 3 dried red chillies. Saute for a few seconds. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar and 1 teaspoon honey. Mix everything well. Keep the flame low. Finally add 1 teaspoon brown sugar. Add the fried chicken pieces. Toss it well. The chicken pieces should be coated well with the sauce. Finally add some roasted sesame seeds. Our crunchy and juicy Korean fried chicken is ready. Serve it hot. Please do try this at home. Kids will love it. Thank you for watching.